Recreation Place. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Sofi Putri Fatihasari. I am from class 9E number 31. I will tell you a little about the recreation areas that I have visited before. I will also provide information about the recreation area starting from location, ticket price to what is there. Recreation place I visit: 1. Santera Delaponte, 2. Borobudur Temple, 3. Pralang Garden, 4. Golfun Entertainment Complex. 1. Santera Delaponte in Malang, East Java. Santera Delaponte is one of the tour in East Java. This tour began to open December 2019. This tour is also people of East Java, but people from outside the city, Iceland and even abroad are also interested in this tour. Santera Delaponte is location East Java, Raya Mada, Jurangrejo, Pandesari, Kecamatan Pujon, Kabupaten Malang, East Java. The ticket price for entering Santera Delaponte is 20,000 in the weekday and 25,000 in the weekend. The tourist spot which just opened in December 2019 over a panoramic view of the flower garden, because visitors will see 700 types of flowers that can make selfie more beautiful. The flowers are arranged in such a way that tourists have various codes of photo spot, starting from hanging flowers that adorn the paths, to flower garden, each of which different. Not only that, the flowers also adorn some of the interesting tourist attraction owned by Flora Wisata Santera Delaponte. Not only that, flowers also adorn some of the interesting tourist attraction owned by Flora Wisata Santera Delaponte. Visitor will see a row of typical European style building with striking facade color. Right in front of him was a large garden decorated with various kinds of flowers, while another photo spot in the Korean village area which has colorful building. There, tourists will feel like they are visiting a row of shops in South Korea and much more. 2. Borobudur Temple in Yogyakarta, Central Java. Borobudur Temple is one of the tourist attractions in Central Java. Precisely in Yogyakarta, the magnificent Buddhist temple was built by the Sailendra dynasty when Central Java was still a Buddhist kingdom. Borobudur Temple was once buried by the cold lava of the massive eruptions of Mount Merapi around 950 and was only disbanded in 1814 when the British occupied Indonesia. Borobudur Temple is located in Jalan Bandrawati, Kecamatan Borobudur, Kabupaten Magelang, Central Java. For the price of admission to Borobudur Temple for adult, the price is 50,000. Meanwhile, the interest ticket for Borobudur Temple for children category is 25,000. Borobudur Temple is a tour that I think can be used as a place to learn about a little history of Indonesia. There we can not only see the temple, but we can also see the flowers that are blooming, and not only one type of flower. Borobudur Temple also has an animal status along the road after paying for the ticket to the temple. We walk more or less takes about 30 minutes to get to the temple, but that the feeling of dryness will disappear when walking because along the way we can take selfies or take those with people we love or whoever it is. Borobudur Temple is one of the tourist attractions in Indonesia that is often visited by tourists who come to Indonesia. Even though majority of visitors to Borobudur Temple are people from other countries, and tourists are also friendly with local people who visited Borobudur Temple. Usually, people often ask for photos together with the tourists. There is also transportation that rented out for visitors who come at a price that is also not too expensive. The transportation can be taken with 30 to 4 people and much more that you can enjoy at the Borobudur Temple. 3. Paralayang Garden in Mojokerto, East Java. The most popular tourist attraction in Batu is Paralayang Batu Malang, one of the attractions that provides activities that trigger and stimulate in underlife. Paragliding Batu Malang can make you break out in a cold sweat, get excited, swim, and crankle in wave. Paralayang Garden is located in Jalan Banyak Gunung Sari, Kecamatan Bumi Aji, Batu City, East Java, number 6, 5, 3, 1, and 2. The entrance ticket here is for weekday, Monday to Friday. The price of paragliding entrance ticket is 10,000 per person, while on weekend 15,000 per person. Paragliding is the name for the peak of Mount Banyak, Batu City, which has an altitude of 1,326 meters above sea level. This place was originally a place that was used as a take-off platform for paragliding athletes. This location is used as a training center of paragliding, even though Malang Raya was inspired by the general chairperson of the Indonesian Aerosport Federation, Marshal of the TNI Hanafi Asnan. In paragliding, athletes can float while enjoying the natural beauty from the air. The calm of the scenery that can be enjoyed by athletes become amazing. Not only local athletes from Malang athletes paragliding area. As time goes by, more and more visitors and interested in visiting paragliding. This area is opened more generally and widely. Not only professional athletes who can try flying with birds in the air can feel. Visitors can also feel the sensation on flying. This so that more and more enthusiasts are trying out this area. You can feel the freedom to float with the wind while enjoying the natural beauty accompanied by the instructor provided by the manager. The cost you have spent is not small, but it is worth expression you will because the activity is very dependent on the weather and wind. It's only always possible to fly. Only when the weather is clear and the wind blows in the right direction is this activity carried out. The peak of paragliding activities in this area take place between June and October. In this month, paragliding championships are often held from regional to international level. There we also have a pretty good photo spot to use for stylish young people, and there's a lot more fun out there. For Govan Entertainment Complex, Govan Bojonegoro is a thematic tourist area that provides various attraction and ride in it. Visitors can enjoy a variety of interesting entertainment provided here. There are various rides, games, swimming pools, to shopping tours. Of course, visitors will not be bored to enjoy all the ride at Govan Entertainment Complex Bojonegoro. Govan Entertainment Complex is located in Jalan Veteran number 20, Jambean Sukorejo, Kecamatan Bojonegoro, Kabupaten Bojonegoro, East Java, number 6, 2, 1, 1, and 5. To be able to play and feel the excitement of this amusement park, visitors will be charged a ticket fee. Govan Bojonegoro ticket prices are divided into two, namely entrance ticket and canal ticket. Waterpark 1 ticket Waterpark 1 ticket 20,000, Waterpark 2 ticket 20,000, Waterpark 2 and 1 ticket 30,000, Waterpark 1 and 2 advantage ticket plus the mark without ride for 40,000, Waterpark 1 and 2 advantage ticket plus the mark free 21 ride. IDR 80,000, Govan the park. Demi Park entrance ticket 15,000, Demi Park pass ticket 21 rides. Interest ticket is valid for visitors with a height starting from 85 cm. Dozens of rides and attractions can be played at Govan Bojonegoro. Nectars that served by children game and are no less interesting to be played by adults. Govan the park provides a variety of fun ride for families to try. The ride provides and Sun Beer, Bum Car, Dermolen or Vinyl Galaxy, Happy Disco, Cowboy Train, Braille Ship, Radio Ball, Jellyfish Dance, and Carousel. This variant ride and the joy of the family exploited the children. In addition, there are variant attractions that are no less to try with the family. There are greenhouse and attraction, jungle safari, disaster house, slaughterhouse, and dancing fountain. Complex and attraction make Govan Bojonegoro the right course for a family vacation. The next atmosphere is equipped with there are variant equipped with colorful light around the ride, making a unforgettable impression. There are various games that can be tried in the Midway game area. Visitors can compete to try to get prizes from the available games. The games provided can enjoyed by both adults and children. The games available are clown, hula hoop, catapult, throw ball, gelundung, sniper, archery, place wheels, scooter, aim firm balance, striking frog, and duck fishing. Especially on Saturday and Sunday night, there is a 1,000 love forest ride. Beautiful colors like in the night sky with variant interesting ornament. There are variant interesting photos put to capture. Money if Victor take selfies with friend and family here. The photos put that exit are returned tunnels, luminescence, back frames, birdhouse, and others. Often there are music contents held by the manager. Visitor welcome can be internet by the performance of artists in the nation, and there is still a lot of fun that you can enjoy there. Maybe that's all I can say about the recreation place, and I'm sorry if any of my words are not pleasing to your heart. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.